like, subscribe and get notified.
The Margao District Court postponed the final hearing in the Arosim double tracking and Kolso Naka protest to June 2025. Benolim MLA and activists Diana De Silva, Abhijit Prabhudesai, and others attended a hearing on Friday regarding their involvement. On the night of 1st November 2020, over 5,000 protesters gathered in Chandor to oppose the double tracking of the South Western Railway route. Under the banner of Goyant Kolso Naka, they held a candlelight march with drum beats and slogans, continuing their vigil from 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. the next morning. Following the protest, an FIR was registered at the Maina Kurturim police station for charges related to unlawful assembly, rioting, and blocking the railway gate. The case has been ongoing, with activists alleging that the legal proceedings are being used to intimidate them.
This case chalota Goyant Kolso Naka म्हूण आख्खे गोंयभर लोक एकठांय जालो आरोसी आनी चांदोर सगळ्यांनी चोयल्लें आम तेन्ना आमदार आसो न्हय आनी जेन्ना हे एकठांय जावन गोंयच्या लोकां पासत सगळो लोक एकठांय जाल्लो तितूंतले थोडे जाणां सिलेक्ट करून आतां केस घायल्या आमचेर रेल्वेन आनी ही रेल्वे केस आतां चलत आहा पूण आज एक हांव सरकाराकूय सांगूंक सोदिता आनी आमी एसेंब्ली उलयताय भायरूय उलयताय स्पेशल पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर PP तो आज कितले हियरिंग जाली येयना ऑलमोस्ट 50 हियरिंग्स जावन गेली म्हाका आतां इन द लास्ट 3 to 4 years बट ही इज नॉट कमिंग तारीख पे तारीख दीत आहे पूण म्हाका दिसता हें हुंय काय बंद जावपाक गरज आसा पीपल ऑफ गोवा आर फेड अप ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट द वे दे आर ट्रायंग टू बुल्डोज आज डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटाय ती उरना आनी हे डेमोक्रेसीचेर आमदारांकूय आज त्रास जाल्ले माझ्या ऑपोजिशनाक वीक पडोन आनी लोकांकूय त्रास जाल्ले बट द मेसेज इज व्हेरी क्लियर वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बॅक ऑफ आम इलेक्ट जाच पयले आम बॅक ऑफ जाल नाय लोकां बारा आहले इलेक्ट जावनूय आम लोकां बारा आसतले आणि we are going to be the voice of Goans. We are going to fight this government. We are going to make sure to prove that you guys are wrong, and we are going to make sure that Goa does not get this double tracking.
Went to the special PP to basically serve the accused number 7, that is Anthony Fernandes. Instead of serving Anthony Fernandes, they have again served accused number 2, that is Anthony De Silva, and they were trying to misguide the court on the fact that they have served accused number 7. Now the court has dismissed the case against accused number 7 only, and given the PP last and final opportunity to appear in the matter and prosecute the matter. Since the PP has not been present, hardly been present only for maximum 2 to 3 hearings. Now this shows that this whole case is filed only to harass this accused who are actually not hardcore criminals or not even criminals for that matter, but are people who are fighting for Goa and for the betterment of Goa. They are basically social activists who have been made accused in this matter, and also our MLA Mr. Vanzi Vegas has been made accused in this matter.
3 वर्ष जाली आमकां कोर्टात मागीर 50-100 खेपे येवपा पडले पूण सरकाराचो प्रोसिक्युटर केन्नाय येना आनी सगळे लोकांक जे लोक गोंय सांबाळपाक बरे जावपा खातीर जे मुखार जावन झगडटात तांकां ह्या भशेन सरकार हॅरस करता आतां ह्या थोडे वर्सां फाटीं सुप्रीम कोर्टान सुद्दां हे कोळश्याचेर अभ्यास केलो तो रिपोर्ट पळयलो गव्हर्मेंटाचें आयकलें आनी सुप्रीम कोर्ट सांगता की कोळसो कृष्णापट्टणम आंध्र प्रदेशच्यान तुमी व्हरात गोंयच्यान व्हरनाकात तरी आसतना सरकार गोंय काबार करपा खातीर हे कोळश्याचे हे मुखार व्हरपाक सोदता आनी ताका लागून ह्यो केसी आमचे लोकांचेर घाल्यात पूण लोक ह्या केसीक मातसो सुद्दां भिना आमचो लोक सगळो स्ट्रॉंग आसा.